Your home search in 2026 stops here. If one of your resolutions was to buy a beautiful family home this year, well, I've got an amazing one in Richmond Hill that I'm standing in right now that you have got to see that ticks off all the boxes. I'm Jackie Othen and we're at 33 Carnoustie Crescent, our newest listing. This beautiful home has been renovated head to toe and it screams nice things, luxury finishes, and it's calling your family home. This beautiful kitchen I'm standing in has tons of counter space, this great giant island with quartz countertops, the beautiful waterfall island, and upgraded appliances. And the best part is it's an entertainer's dream. Truly, I say that because you can walk out to your beautiful deck and you can look over everybody having a fabulous pool party in this beautiful home. Come and see the rest of it. Open concept everything, just like the new homes offer. You walk through the front door, you've got a gracious living room, a beautiful dining room, and you already saw the kitchen. And who doesn't love a two-story family room where you can hang out and watch a movie with the kids or just unwind after a long work day? Check this out. Upstairs is just as beautiful as the main floor, fully renovated, beautiful primary suite opened up here. The closets are actual organization systems that you will love, super functional, his and hers, a primary suite that is divine. The bathroom has been fully renovated and you're gonna love that glass shower. And I think my personal favorite up here is that the laundry is upstairs, so no hauling laundry up and down the stairs. Well, there you have it, 33 Carnoustie Crescent. This beautiful home is not gonna last long, and if you wanna be swimming by summertime, I'm telling you, come and check this out. I'm Jackie Othen. I would love to give you a tour of this beautiful home. Give us a call at 416-486-8282, and one of my team members will be more than happy to show you this beautiful home.